existing lesson we are learning now, ancient civilization. In that, nearly 5 civilizations already we learned. Now it is our civilization only because it started in India only. Harappan civilization that we are learning. Very interesting one, children, it is, and they give a lot of information about that one. We are studying this one in a detail. This Harappa civilization is known by many names. First we know that one. Harappa civilization, they give in a textbook. It is also called Indus civilization. As it is started on the Indus River Valley, it is also called as a Indus civilization. Indus River is also called as Sindhu River. So this civilization is also called as a Sindhu civilization. Got it, children? All the same one civilization only, but it is called by the different names. And these Harappan people having a trade relation with the Mesopotamia. So Mesopotamia civilization people, they are calling this Harappa civilization as a Minoha. Got it? Yes. Details about the Harappan civilization here, children. This Harappa civilization is flourished on the Indus River. Indus River. It is also called as a Sindhu River, children. Saraswati River also it is called. Indus River bank. And it is 2000 years ago, before Veda period is. What is Veda period? See, children, after civilization, how people started learning one by one things, they become most civilized people. They started reading, writing, learning some culture, they started some customs, they started. That is called Veda period. That time they started writing the things in the Sanskrit. Sanskrit is we can read it. It is known language only. Yes. So what things they wrote, we can understand that one. We can read and understand that one. So that period comes under the historic period. Historic period, do you remember? History period is divided into 3 parts. Prehistoric period, proto-historic period and historic period. What we are learning, what we are living on, that is historic period. Because history evidence we got. We can learn that one, we can read that one. Proto-historic means civilization period. Evidences are there, but they are not sufficient to understand by us. Written things are there, but we are not able to read it. That is called proto-historic period. We are learning now proto-historic period. Veda means it is historic period because we are reading that history. So before that period, before Veda period it is. How many years? 2000 years before Veda period. That time Harappan civilization started. Even though it is started on the banks of river Indus, it is called as a Harappan civilization. Why it is called Harappan civilization means Harappa is a name of place today. Now it is in Pakistan. Earlier it is in India only, but now it is in Pakistan. Most of the evidences are found in the Harappa place. So historians called it as a Harappan civilization. Follow, children? How they found this civilization? That is, see, these two peoples, Dayaram Singhi and Rakal Das Banerjee. These two people excavated this Harappan civilization. Excavated means they taken from the earth. They come to know these are the cities. How it is? See, children, long back in the Punjab, earlier they were in Punjab. Now it is in Pakistan. Harappa and Mohenjo-daro both are in Pakistan. Here I will see Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. What happened, children? They are digging the land for the railway track. That time they got that something is there inside the earth. They came to know that one. So if anything they found like that while constructing the building and all means, they will inform that one to the archaeology department. Archaeology department is there. So that department people will come while teaching the sources. So I explained all this one. Smoothly they will move the mud with a brush, small, little and all, to make the loose the earth, and then with the brush they will remove the mud and they will excavate the things. Like this way, archaeological departments removed the things. Then they came to know that there was a civilization here. People lived here. So then we came to know about the Harappan civilization. Afterwards, they started excavating one by one place. Here in what means nearby also you may get something, no? So like that way they went on searching the places where they may get the possibilities of Harappan civilization. So they found nearly 1,500 sites of Harappan civilization. In many places they got that one. Important one I wrote on the board, children. See here. These are the important places. Harappa is the main place, children. There we got the more things. Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. These are the two places. Now these are in Pakistan. Then Kalijagan, one more place. It is in Rajasthan. Dholavira and Mutal. These two places are in Gujarat. Then Ratigari. It is in Haryana. And these two places are there. How much it is spread? The given in your textbook, children. Let me show. What is there in the yellow color? No, completely it is a Harappan civilization. This is India, children. Here Delhi is there. After this, northwest part of the Delhi. Got it? So full yellow color. What is there? Everything is the Harappan civilization. Indus River will come here. Mohenjo-daro is here. See, Pakistan it is. It is Mohenjo-daro. Follow, children? Yes. Here Arabian Sea is there. Arabian Sea and Gujarat comes here, children. Here they are having the port. They are making business with the other countries through Arabian Sea. Yes. See, children, interestingly you have to listen this one because most of the things are similar. What we are living the life now and what the Harappan people live. Both the lives are very much similar. Many things are matching. So, very curiously you must listen on this one. See, children, when they excavated all the Harappan sites, they came to know that they were well civilized people like us. They are having the cities. What type of cities? Same like us only. They are having multi-story buildings. Roads they are having. And closed drainage system. Gutter drainage system means to go the wastewater they are having the chamber and the closed gutters, no? That is called drainage system. That people such a old time is in that time also they know about the drainage system. By this we can conclude that people given more importance for the cleanliness of the city, for the health given more importance because health and the cleanliness are both related, no? Yes, and they are having multi-story buildings. How they used to build the buildings? With the bricks, burnt bricks. What we are using for the construction of building now? Same type of bricks they are using. Burnt bricks they are using for the building the multi-story buildings. Follow, children. These are the main characteristics of the Harappan civilization people's city planning. Diagram I wrote here. See, drainage system is the main attraction there. Then great bath, one big water tank we got, children. That is in Mohenjo-daro. Great bath it is called because very big water tank is there, and around that water tank many rooms are there. And they made the pipelines for the fresh water, one pipeline, another pipeline for the leaving the waste water. Like that way, they are having the pipe system also, children. In that, historians imagine that it may be here the royal families used to take the bath. Very big one it is. See, in textbook they given. Middle one is the water tank, children. Side small, some only basements and all is there, no? By this one they calculated that these are the small rooms, bathrooms there. Using this water, they used to take bath here. Royal family, they guessed that one. So they kept the name it as a Great Bath. Great Bath. It is in Mohenjo-daro. Yes. Then 6 granaries they are having. Granaries means godowns. Warehouses we are calling no that one. Agriculture producing companies where they have to store some things as it is filling in the bag you can give. Some need some precaution we have to take them. So in the godown or in the warehouse we are storing them. That people also build these 6 granaries. Warehouses they build. And surrounding of that one, they build the quarters for the laborers also. Follow children. Till today it is there, no? We are Food Corporation of India. They are having many granaries. Very big godowns they are having. And surrounding only they are having the quarters for the laborers also. Same thing, modern side, Harappan people also having the same thing. Then the Luttal, it is in Gujarat. Luttal is in Gujarat. The side of Gujarat only, Arabian Sea is there. So they are having the harbour there. Harbour means is a place from where through the ship the things are, business is carried out. Our railway station, bus station is there, not done. Like that, where the ship will stand, that is called port. Harbour means it is more than the port. There, the foreign trade will take place. Harbour will be very big. Foreign ships will come carrying the things. You can download there, you can store there, you can make the packing and all there. So very big one it is, that is called harbour. Followed. That one also they build in the Luttal. By this you can conclude, no, they are most civilized people. Yes, this is about their city planning. Many similarities are there, no? We are also having drainage system. Then granaries we are having, harbour we are having, roads we are having. With the burnt bricks only we are also building the buildings. Yes, I will give a question to write the similarities between us and the Harappan people. You have to write it. Okay? Yes. Next, economic life. Economic means earning the money. How they used to earn the money? What business they used to do? Weaving. Weaving the woolen and cotton cloth is the main business. Weaving is the main business today. India is the first country to grow the cotton today. Remember it. In the world, how all the civilization first started, Chinese started growing the thing, no? Like that way, India first time it is grown the cotton. Cotton is introduced by the India only. So they are very famous in weaving the cotton cloth as well as woolen. Then cattle rearing also one of the business. Many types of animals they used to domesticate. Cattle rearing is also one of them. Then making the bricks. Burnt bricks they have to make. That is also one business for them. Because multi-story building they build. They need more bricks, no? That was one of the business. Occupation means business. They used to domesticate many animals as said that. What type of animals? That is all types of cattle. Buffalo, cow, on that ox, on that one. Then goats, pig, cats, dog, donkeys, camels. Even today also we are domesticating all these animals. One more similarity. Yes? Yes. And they are having business with the Mesopotamia people. So Mesopotamia people used to call the Harappan people as a Miluha. What in their language they called the Harappan people as a Miluha. Followed children. From the Arabian Sea they used to make the business with the Mesopotamia people. Yes, continuously one more introduction by the Harappan people. This is about their city planning and the economic planning. Now, what is their social life? What gods they are worshipping? How children used to play? All that one. Interestingly, we will see that one. Okay, take this point, children. Yes. What is the social life like I wrote here, children? Social life. Ornament wear is children. Both man and woman used to wear the ornaments. Today also, man and woman both are wearing no children ornaments. So what type of ornaments? same what we are using now, same ornaments they use to wear. That is necklace. You know necklace. Then fillets. Fillets means kalungura. Now ladies are wearing a married woman. Same in olden time also they used to wear it. Then armlet. Armlet means bajuban. That one. Then finger ring. Finger ring they used to wear. Then bangles, earrings. Then nose studs. What we ladies are wearing now, same thing. Even in the olden time, Harappan ladies also used to wear the same ornaments. When they are excavating the earth, they found all these ornaments. So they came to know that they used all these ornaments. Even men also using the ornaments. Kadaga. They used to wear the kadaga. Big one means you come to know this is a man bangle. Yes, no? Like that. Then even man also using the earrings. Somewhat ring back they are using that one. That also. Then they are using the cosmetics and perfumes children. In olden time, Harappan people they use the cosmetics, perfume how we are using. Got it? Similarities you have to write. So listen carefully. Then children, how they used to play? They used to play with the marbles. Marble means you understand? Dice, dolls, balls, and duplicating bullock cart. These are all the toys of the children. What is it? Children used to play toys. Followed? You know, you also playing all with this duplicating bullock cart I wrote. See children, if anyone belongs to village or farmer family means you come to know that word. For cattle they will put one feeding, done it is called. From that they will make the duplicate bullock cart. With that children used to play. Even till today in the village children are playing with that bullock cart. Got it? Yes. Then bullfighting is the main entertainment. Today also it is there. You are going to any village fair and all means every year they will keep that one. Bullfighting and all. Cockfighting, bullfighting is there not till today also. So in olden time they used to make the bullfighting. These are the social life children. Entertainment they used to make the bullfighting. Ornaments they are using. Cosmetics and perfumes they are using. Children used to play with the marbles, dolls, dice and all. Alright children? Next, art. What type of art they are having? They are making the god's statue. Especially they are using the worshipping the mother goddess. That statue they used to make with the clay. Clay means understand children? Mud it is called. That one. Then trade seals also they are making. They are having business with the Mesopotamia people. We are also, while making the business, they are using the seal. You know this? Trade seal it is called. Harappan people also use the trade seals. Then dancing girl. Metal statue they made. One of the statues we found, that is the dancing girl statue. It is in the metal. I will show you the textbook. Then sculptor. In the stone also they used to make the statues. One breed man statue they made in the stone. That is called sculptor. See, today's sculptors are there. With the metal they are making the statues. Yes, no children. With the clay also many things they are making. Pot and all they are making with the clay. Yes, no? So their art and our art is same. Follow this one. Art. Take your textbook children. I will show it. See, this is Pashupati. Shiva only it is horn they given no. So they called it as a Pashupati. Shiva statue it is. Got it? Yes. This is the trade seal I said children. That one. Bull seal it is they wrote. And this one unicorn seal. Mythical animal. See children, this animal only different. Face is different, body is different, mythological. People used to say that it is living in the heaven. Mythological they given. It is not the real one. This one. Next, metal statue, dancing girl. Leg and all broken, dancing girl it is. Then I said mother goddess statue made from the clay. That one it is. Image of the mother goddess. Then this is a stone statue. Breed man. Breed is there, no children? Line breed they given. Can you see? That one it is. These are the art of the Harappan people. Yes. What type of gods they are worshipping? Gods also same only children. See, Shiva, Pashupati, I shown in the picture, no? That one. Shiva they are worshipping. Horned one, so they call it as a Pashupati. Shiva only. Then sun, Surya. Fire, Agni. Home and all gods, you know? That one. Earth, Bhumi Puja. Then snakes, Panchami. Then people and leaf tree. Tree we are worshipping. Yes, no? Then water, Ganga Puja. We are worshipping the river, all that one. That means even gods of the Harappan people and us also same only. And some places we got the fire pits also there. Fire pits. Fire pits means what it is? See, any homa is there means square box will be there in that the fire, and many things we are sacrificing to the fire. Yes, no? Homa it is called. So for that, what pit they are making square one, that is called fire pit. That also we found in the Harappan civilization. That means that people also used to do the homas. Religion, rituals, both same only, no children? Yes. Now we'll see the script of them, what things they used to write and how they declared. So well planned, well civilized people, how they vanished. Very curious to know, no children? Yes, I will explain that one only. Take these points, children. All these points you take. Yes, is that what children? Script means, see children, here it is there in your textbook. On the trade seal, they wrote something here. Above it is there, no? This is the script. Here also it is there. Can you see? Above they wrote, no? That one. That one. Here also it is there. In the top. But this script is unique, dear friends. Why unique means unable to read. Many historians try to read it, but it is unable to read. What type of language it is, till today we don't know. So it is in the proto-historic period it is, because it is unable to read. Follow children. This is about the script. How it declined. See children, so well planned cities and all they are having, how they vanished, how it is all right. That reason historians are only guessing. 4 reasons we guessed children. Because of which reason they all vanished, don't know. What are those 4 reasons? Probably it is there. One is regular intervals in the Indus River. Maybe in the Indus River, oftenly flood came. Because of that flood, all vanished. That is one reason. Yes, flood comes means most of the properties will lost, many will lose their life. Yes, no children. Maybe that is one reason. Second one, overuse of wood for burning bricks may destroy the forest and they migrated to other places. See children, I said they built the multi-story buildings and they used the burnt bricks. For burning the bricks, they need wood. Yes, no? So they need wood means they have to cut the trees. If they go on cutting the trees means they will destroy the forest. Forest is there means rain is there. If no forest, no rain. No rain means it is a drought. Drought comes means no rain means crop will grow. Survival is there. Many will die without food. Yes, no? So when there is no forest, no rain, drought may be there. Because of drought, they migrated to other places. They migrated, they shifted to some other places. Some other places they may gone. That is the second reason. Third one, Aryan invaded them. They are from the foreign children. Maybe they invaded them, they attacked them. Because of that reason also all vanished. And the fourth one is spread of infectious disease. Maybe some big disease came. Now it is there, no? Corona. Like that, in olden time, 100 years back, plague disease was there. You can ask your parents. That time, in a day only, hundreds of people used to die in a one city only. Such a dangerous infectious disease it was. Medicine also very less that time. In Harappa, people you think some disease may came like that. So because of that disease, all may die. That is also possibilities are there. So these are the four reasons. Because of this, basic cities were decline. Decline means vanish. Got it, children? Yes. This is all about the Harappan civilization. Take the homework. Okay. Yes. 4 questions are given, children. Where we can find the Great Bath. Write important cities of Harappan civilization. For I don't know that one. Write the similarities between we and the Harappan people. What are the matchings of their that right? Which gods Harappan people worship? Gods, which gods they are worshipping, that one you have to write. So, very lengthy lesson I completed, children. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and understood also. Okay? Yes. Thank you, children.